Hello honey, I'm Nanny Julie, nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute girl princess. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. We can see head, hair, dress, arms. We can see head, hair, dress, arms and crown. Let's look at the picture one more time. Head, hair, dress, arms and crown. Now let's start drawing. The first step we're gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper and draw an oval. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Oh, I like your line. Keep it up. Then we're gonna draw the ears. C shape on the left side, backward C shape on the right side. Then we're gonna draw a hair. I start over here and draw curved line to the left and to the right. I start over here and draw a curved line. Then let's draw two dots for your eyes, the first and the second. Small backward C shape in the middle for her nose and small U shape under the nose for smile. Now let's draw a crown. Let's draw two diagonal lines on the top of her head, the first and the second. On the same level, then let's connect these ends with zigzag line. Now let's draw her neck. We are gonna draw two short lines underneath her head, the first and the second. Then let's draw the top of the dress. You're doing great, well done. Draw horizontal line, then two vertical lines on both sides and connect them. Then let's draw a long curved line to the left and the same step on the right side. To the right. And let's connect them. Now let's draw her arms. Draw two diagonal lines to the dress, the first and the second, and the same step on the right side. The first diagonal line and the second. Then let's draw her palm. Draw a C shape over here on the left side and small U shape over here. And let's draw the same step on the right side. Backward C shape and small U shape over here. That's right, I like your line. And let's finish her hair. Draw wavy line under the ear on the left side and connect with the dress. Then let's draw the same step on the right side and connect with the dress on the same level. Wavy line and connect with the dress. That's the way to go, you did it! I like your drawing. Now let's coloring together. You can choose any color you like. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Also, you and your parents can download and print my cute coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's start coloring. I choose pink pen with sequins and draw a blush. Draw a circle under the eye and color it inside. Then draw the same step on the right side. Draw a circle under the eye and color it. How beautiful her cheeks shine! Oh, it's beautiful. You can choose any color you like. Now I choose gold pen with sequins for the crown. Then I choose yellow for her hair, tracing and coloring inside. You can choose any color you like. Tracing again. Then coloring inside. Oh, you're doing great! Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. Now I choose pink for her dress. You can choose any color you like. Tracing, coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. We trace around the edge again. Try not to go beyond the line. Try to color over completely from edge to edge so that the white lines of the paper are not visible. Don't rush. Quietly we will color everything together with you. Tracing and coloring inside. Try to stay inside the line. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. We can add beautiful glitter with a shiny pen. We draw a circle on the dress. We drew circles and crosses on the dress. You can also add beautiful rhinestones to our princess on the crown. I choose pink. And yellow rhinestones. Wow, what a wonderful princess! I like your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel Nanny Julie. Check my social networks for cute coloring page and fun paper games. All links in the description under the video. See you, bye bye!